Welcome to the Berry Life. Today we're going to make a super simple and easy recipe for a roasted tomatillo salsa. For this recipe, we're going to need some tomatillos. If you can't find tomatillos, go ahead and replace them with tomatoes. They should be fine. Tomatillos are a little bit tangier, but once you roast them, a lot of the sweetness comes out of the fruit. Tomatillos typically come in a husk like this. Go ahead and remove that husk and thoroughly wash the tomatillos. We're also going to need some onions, garlic. We're going to leave the garlic in the skin, so this way it prevents burning in the oven. We're also going to need some Chipotle chilies. Chipotle chilies are basically jalapenos, smoked and dried. I usually get the ones in the can. They come with this great adobo sauce. There's a lot of flavor in there, so we don't want to lose that. I went ahead and washed the last tomatillo. I actually like to cut these in half and place them flush down on the cookie sheet. With the tomatillos cut, we're going to place these face down on the cookie sheet and take it to the oven. Alright, let's head to the oven. Set the oven to broil and place the baking sheet on the top rack near the heat. Watch this carefully. It should only take a few minutes and we don't want the fruit to burn. It's been a few minutes. Let's check on the vegetables. Halfway through, I rotated the tray for even charring. These look perfect. Let's take them out. Let the vegetables cool for a few minutes before adding them to the blender. These vegetables are beautifully charred. The juice at the bottom of the tray, you want to save that. We'll add that to the blender as well. It's been a few minutes and the vegetables have cooled off. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the garlic skin before we throw that into the blender. Into the blender, add the tomatillos, add the onions, and the garlic. Be sure to get all of the juice at the bottom of the pan. We're going to blend the vegetables only lightly. After a few seconds of blending, the salsa should be pulpy. Now add the Chipotle chilies along with the adobo sauce. If you like it spicy, add 2 chilies. And blend until it reaches desired consistency. The salsa's ready. Let's transfer it to a bowl. This is way better than anything you could buy at a store. Let's check for seasoning. The adobo sauce has salt, so we haven't added any so far. So let's check. Needs a little bit more salt. Let's give that a stir. Let's give that another taste. Alright, that's perfect. This is how we prefer the salsa. However, if you're using it as a condiment, feel free to add a little bit of water or sugar to help with the tanginess. Alright, let's dig in. There you have it. Traditional roasted tomatillo salsa. Enjoy. That's perfect. Please like and subscribe to help support our channel. Be sure to hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. We would love to see your creation when you try this recipe. Tag us on Instagram at berryberrylife.